This video is going to show you how to use some of the controls in the air track simulator. So to begin with, on the left-hand side, I've got a little orange cart at the bottom, and then I've got my orange controls, and I've got a blue cart and blue controls. I can make my collision inelastic by clicking on the button or elastic, and all I do is choose my values. So I'll choose those values, click on it, and hit go, and then see what happens. And you can see up here there's an orange box and a blue box. After the collision, they'll give the current speeds. I can wait until it reaches the end of the track and it'll stop, or I can click stop if I want to. If you do click on go, it'll start from the very beginning. It won't pick up where you left off. So that's the orange velocity after the collision, and that's the blue velocity after the collision. Easy to reset. Just choose your numbers again and click go. And then if you want to just reset it to reset, you can hit reset and it puts everything back and holds it there until you're ready to go.